Good morning, guys. Bukas day off ko. Tomorrow is my off. That's why I make video today. So I have things to show up. It's different style, guys. This is queen size. Uh, this is smoking area, but the one who sleep here today is not smoking. Now I'm gonna show you how to vacuuming. This the style of this room. Opposite uh, his door, opposite in the highway. This one. This the style. This one. I finished already the setting of bathroom. I wipe already and I set already the towel and everything. Now I'm gonna show you how to wipe the mirror and some yes. Let's do the vacuum. So I know this vacuum too much noise. Don't take all the garbage. that's that's all for now, guys. I finished vacuum already because this vacuum is not really nice. Something weird sounds coming. So I just picked the some here. This is how it looks like in outside. And this is the different style. Queen size bed. It's done, guys. I love you all. God bless. See you on my next video. God bless everyone.